So guys, hello and welcome again to Chill Screen. And as previously we had looked on the OSNAP settings in relation to the AutoCAD drawing tools in the video that is shown on the top here. Now today we are going to look on something different from the OSNAP but related to the selections that you intend to make on your drawing. Alright, so for example, you might find that in your machine, if you are trying to select an object one to the other, right, from a single click, if you intend to make maybe multiple selection, alright, but you find that it's not that you are just ready to make a selection by a drag like this, but you find that you intend to make your selection to some specific parts of your drawing. You realize that if you try to make a selection, like for example, I want to select the first line and then I skip the next, I select the other one, you find that the previous one will be deselected. Alright, if you do the same, you'll find that your selections are bound to only one selection, alright, or else a single selection, whereby you cannot be allowed to do multiple selections. Alright, this one maybe could be solved by selecting the first one that you need to select, and then you hold the shift key, alright, and then you select the next, while you hold the shift key. Alright, so that one could be the solution. Or else the other one could be you select by and drag, alright, and this is you use the green drag this way, but I think we'll have to agree on something, that these methods are a lot tedious, because what each and everyone could be expecting is to select with a single click, and you find that whatever you are doing, whatever you click is included in your selection, alright, without having to hold some specific keys. So this one will be solved by object snap settings. Alright, so we click on the OSNAP and then we get to options here under OSNAP, and then we get to selection. Alright, so we have to uncheck this one for the settings which controls whether subsequent selections replace the current selection, and then we apply OK. Alright, so you'll find that if you try to select your drawings, then it will be selected without having to hold the shift key or else holding another key. Alright, so this one will be a bit faster if you are trying to make a selection, maybe for the purpose of changing the layers of your drawings, or else if maybe you are trying to make a selective selection for a given reason. Alright, so that's it for selection. You get to OSNAP and then you get to options and OSNAP and then the selections. Right, you uncheck this one, and this one will give you a lot of ease as you try to select some parts of your drawing. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.